Lucas. Sige na, write na. Letter A. Good job. Come on. Position. Iiyak siya muna.
It's unlocked.
Unlock. Okay, make it unlock now. Sige na.
Look out on the unlocked bee. Look at that angry.
Make it letter C. C. Okay. Trace here, this side, Okay. Wow, good job. Okay. Iiyak siya muna. Maoy muna ba? Bago siya sumulat ng letter A. Kailangan ano talaga, patient talaga. Tinapos niya rin yung A. Very good. So, tatapusin niya lahat. Please write nicely, please. Nice. Okay.
Make it better.
No. Letter C. Draw C. And then like this. Good job. One more. Wow. Nice. Oh. Letter C. Letter C. Oh. Like this, so I will teach you how to do letter A. Wow, good job, letter C. Like this, letter C, and then like this. Now, one. Good job. One more. Now, and then like this. Okay, one more. Okay. Now, good job. Letter A. Good job. One more, anak. One more. Okay, no, good job, like this. Okay, up and close, and then down. One more. One. Nasanay sila sa ganun. Now, like this, and then close like this. One more. Okay, make it correction. Okay, one more like this, and then like this down. Okay, one more. Okay, and then down. Good job. One more. One more. Good job, Lucas. Okay. Close na. Alright. Go. Alright. Ganun siya. Yung, oops. What is this? It's wrong. Draw letter C, and then like this. Good job. One more. Letter C. And then close. And then down. Okay, one more. One more. Langga. Sige na, go. Go. Na, letter A. Okay, good job. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, make it small letter A man, uy. No. Okay. Alright. Okay. Good job, Lucas. Oops. Okay, time to breakfast. So make it nice. One more. Okay. So A4.
Airplane.
A4. Okay.
Apple and apricot.
Okay.
Now it's left.
Oh my, good job. That was fun. Very good. Okay, so let's do the words. With the beginning letter A.
Okay. Letter B. Straight, like this. You need to start here. Down, and then curve.
Three.
Yes.
I'm staying
Curve.
on the line. And the quartz on.
Good job. One more. Okay. Okay, here. Trace na. Sige na. Ang tagal niya. Kailangan talaga, medyo meron na. May stick, oh. May stick. What is this? What is this?
That?
What is this?
What's that?
What is this?
Ball.
Huh?
Bird.
Okay. So, what you? Kailangan?
What's that?
Stick.
Stick.
Okay, right now. Letter B, here. Right now. Right here. Come on. Good job. Oh.
Letter C.
1 minute na. 2 minutes na. 2 minutes na. Right.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Right now. Right now, letter B. 2 minutes na already waiting for mama. Right na.
I played.
Mm.
Are improving.
Okay.
Let's do this activity. Match the capital letter from each small letter. Use your pointing finger
Good job.
and
Okay.
match them. Then post the
Stop
video
naman
and
siya.
be back
Next.
if you're done. Start now. Okay, let's continue. Let's check. Number 1, big
Okay,
letter A.
good. Next.
Small letter A. Big letter E.
Sige na, straight.
What's that?
Okay, straight. Straight letter B. Come
Letter
on.
C.
I will help you. Sige na.
Letter C.
Letter B. Straight. Like this. Straight. And then like this. Good job. One more show.
Are you all
Sige na.
correct?
Okay.
Good thinking.
Oy! What is this? Ay! Ay!
What is the letter?
Letter?
A.
Oh, A?
Wow.
A ka dyan.
Mama sabi mo de.
Oh, sige na. Sige na. A. B. Sige na. Okay, one more.
Let's continue. Let's check. Number 1.
Okay.
It's letter A.
Sige, one more. Straight.
Number 2, letter B. Bat. Next, letter B. Bat.
Okay, very good now. Sige na, good job. Letter B.
Read the words
Kaya, kailangan, may meron stick konti, tapos alert, uy, may stick, kailangan tapusin ko. Yun, ganun. Para may meron siya, disiplina ba. Sige na, come on. Come on. Oo. 4 minutes. 4 minutes na. Eto pa lang. No, kailangan talaga na. Good job! Wow, perfect.
5 minutes later.
Oh, yeah.
5 minutes later.
Yeah, 5 minutes. Ang tagal mo, anak. Sige na. Oh, sige na. Okay, write na more.
Medal is for you. You're the best. You can write your name here or you can print this out. So that's it for today, kids. Our lessons tomorrow.
Sige na.
So goodbye. Don't leave.
Come on.
See you tomorrow. God bless you.
Come on. Let's go. Medyo meron mga alert ganito. Okay,
Mama,
right.
what that?
What is this?
Bell.
What is this?
Stick.
Okay, good job.
What is
Oh,
that?
alarm. That is alarm. Okay, alarm. Right.
Wait. No.
No, okay, I will put it here. Okay, all right. Ayan. Kailangan may alarm. Para pag once mag-stop siya, alarm ka agad. Good job. One more.
This is Teacher Lan, and
Okay.
if you would like to see more any videos and reading in the future, just share with me in the comment below. Thank you.
Sige na.
So let's start.
Position always so that you are not tired.
Okay. So with our lessons for today, learn the letter F and G, read words with vowel A and
Next.
sound. Alright, so
You like this, so you start here, and then button, tapos, and then, here. Position. What is position? Position na, okay? I cannot see. Okay, like this na. Then like this na. Okay, like this. Okay, position. Okay? Perfect B. Trace. Good job. Okay, one more here. See, make it perfect, letter B.
alright, ready? Follow this pointer, sound it first. Fish. Again. Fish.
Okay? Okay na yan. Pag once gana. Diba? Straight. Oops! Straight! Oops! What happened? Letter B.
Fan. Foot.
Letter B. Letter B.
Next.
Lazy. Letter B. Lazy ka na naman.
Brain.
Ha?
Not brain.
Na your brain? Ano brain mo?
Where's the brain?
Yeah, brain is your head, right here.
Okay, now let's
Sige na. Letter B.
these letters. Ready? Sound it first. Fa. Again.
Good job. One more. Why stop?
Okay, so can you give example
Iyak siya muna.
object?
Tapos pag was iiyak, diretso-diretso na yung sulat niya.
Orange.
Nagpo-problema pa siya.
Is round.
Hoy!
Orange.
Hoy!
Okay, now can you give orange?
Lucas!
Count of 3,
Oh, may alert na naman siya, oh. May alert naman siya, oh. Stick.
2, 3.
Stick. Right na. Right? Parang may alert siya minsan. Kailangan may stick. Alarm. Diba? Nag-iisip siya eh. Hindi natin alam kung ano iniisip niya eh. Ang diretso-diretso yung sulat niya. Pag once may alarm. Sige na. One more.
Ocean. Okay, now it's your turn. Sound it first. Ready? Begin.
Ay siya. More than 15 minutes na. Tagal na eh. Hindi pa siya tapos, may alarm naman siya, right.
Sound the letter.
May alarm. Good job.
Mama,
Yes.
I'm stuck.
Oh yeah, I know. You're stuck. It means that you are not allowed to go down.
Mommy,
Uh,
I go.
need to finish. I will remove that. Yeah. Yes, okay. Sige, yan na. Binalot ni kuya niya para hindi siya bumaba. Kawawa naman. Pero okay lang. Kailangan eh. Kailangan minsan. Naglalaro sila. Tapos eto na. Ginawa ni kuya niya. Sige. You want to remove?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, what you say?
Thank you.
Smile. Smile. Yan ang buhay namin. Sige. Okay na. Go na. Right na. Okay. Kailangan. Oh. Na-grade 1 ka na anak eh. Kailangan i-push ko to sa'yo. Push lang push. Okay? Nasaan na yung stick ko? Wala pa nga segundo eh. Stop naman siya. Oh, right now. Sige na. Oh, alarm. Natapos siya na yung letter A. Tapos B for today. Kailangan tapusin niya hanggang Z para very good. Tapos tomorrow naman numbers para matuto siya. Kasi pag once grade 1 eh, kailangan magsulat siya ng marami, diba? Sunod-sunod. Pag once ayan na. Oh. Pag once mag face-to-face siya, tuloy-tuloy na yan siya. Kasi lahat ng mga classmates niya nagsusulat. So, kailangan niya magsulat. Malaking improvement niya ngayon. Kasi dahil sa trainings ko, tapos kinakausap ko siya lagi. Tapos sa vitamins, lalo vitamins talaga kailangan. Vitamins, trainings, focus, lahat kailangan paulit-ulit lang hanggang ang rotate niya ba. Minsan kailangan natin be strong. Hindi tayo pwede kailangan meron tayong rules. Okay, rules number 1, kailangan listen. Yun, tapos pag was rules number 2, activities, kailangan tapusin niya. Yan, gaya to, writing, kailangan niya tapusin or else, hindi siya manonood ng TV or surprises, ganun. Kailangan pagtapos niya meron siya award, like nanonood siya ng TV, ganun, break time. Oh, letter B pa more. Yeah, needs to finish and going break now. Sige na. So, kita mo, hindi pa naka 1-2 minutes, tapos na siya. So, pag once gusto niya talaga, tatapusin niya talaga. Break time na kagad if you are done. Okay? Matapos yung letter B niya, break time muna. Gaya sa letter A, natapos niya. So, oops, what is that? It's not nice. Okay? Oh, should be like this. Like this. Okay? Okay.
B. Uppercase B.
No. Oh, yes. So, like this. Small letter B na. Then, like this. Okay. One more. Na. Okay. Good job. One more. Letter D yan. It's wrong. Okay. Alright. Sige na. Sige na. I love you. Almost done. Wow. Oh. This one is not correct. It's letter D. It should be letter D all. D. Okay, not D. Okay. Oh, like this.
My second present.
Yeah. Yes, okay. Straight and then like this.
No,
like
this
this.
present is
Letter
for
B.
Lucas.
Okay.
Lucas, this present is for
Okay.
you.
Alright.
Wow.
Wow. Good
Poppings.
job. Okay. Poppings. Need to finish all. Yeah. I will give. Yeah, you have surprise, Lucas. Good job. Na, kailangan marunong siya mag-letter B. Yan. Yung una tong episode natin, letter B, medyo matagal talaga siya kasi may commercial. Ay, oops, what is this? Wrong, letter B. Iyak muna siya, tapos marami pa siya maarte pa siya konti, ganun. Pero kung gusto niya, tatapusin niya talaga. Kailangan ganito yung pag teacher said, you need to write talaga. Hindi siya pwede, yung teacher susunod sa kanya. Iiyak muna siya, ganun, hindi pwede. Kailangan, teacher said, write, no need to cry. Diba? Right? Lucas? Good job. Oh, nice. Letter B. Sige na, right? Break time na kagad. Kailangan mamahalin mo siya. Show mo siya ng love. Para may ganang-gana siya. Super excited siya. Pupunta na siya sa school. You have lots of friends, classmates, playing. Bilis niya magsulat, as in. So, ito yung kahit hindi siya perfect na B, at least tinatry niya talaga magsulat ng B. Meron siya nga tama B, meron siya nga slide, at least straight B siya, hindi siya slide like that, straight siya na. Ang importante yan, very good na. Okay, diba? Okay. Paglaki niya, maintindihan niya yung straight line, ganito. Kasi, pag once nandun na siya sa school, yung teacher na yung mag-correct sa kanya. At least, ang importante, almost done na siya, yan. One more. Okay. How about this one? Okay. One more. Thank you. Break time na. Okay, thank you. Ayan na siya. Tapos na. Okay. And next is letter B4. Okay, B4. Okay, B4. Okay, B4. Okay, good job. Okay, mamaya naman. Okay. Letter C.
It's unlocked.
Yes.
It's unlocked.
Sirado na daw. Close na daw siya. So, mamaya naman, a few 30 minutes, break time muna. Tapos, ayun, sulat na naman siya. A niya. Okay, A, letter A, and B for today.
No.
Okay? So, kailangan i-close niyo muna.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye.
Bye. Na.
Break time now, okay? Break time.
Pictures. Write the numbers X to be back. Down, come to 2. 11.
Okay.